Everyone wants to create a best-selling product, but many people think bestsellers are created by luck. The truth is, they are not. After 20 years in furniture manufacturing, we've found that best-selling products follow a clear pattern. Today, I'd like to share the 3 key steps to creating a bestseller. Step 1. Understand what consumers really need. Many companies focus on what sold well in the past. We used to do the same. ERP data tells you which colors and styles perform well, but data only tells you about the past. What defines future bestsellers is how lifestyles are changing. Over the past 20 years, furniture colors have become lighter, styles have become more natural. Consumers want homes that feel more comfortable and relaxing nowadays. They're not just buying furniture, they're buying a lifestyle. Before developing a product, ask yourself one question. What kind of home do your customers really want? Step 2. Create simple and timeless products. Many people believe a bestseller must be highly creative. In reality, it's not like that. Products that sell for years are usually simple. They still look good even 10 or 20 years later. A product can have design character, but it shouldn't be too complicated. Because trends always come full circle. Consumers always return to comfort and timelessness. Another hand is, don't overload products with features. Find one major pain point and solve it well. Sometimes one strong selling point is enough. Step 3. Focus on every detail. This is the most important step, but it's the one many companies overlook. Many people think bestsellers succeed because they look amazing. But the real secret is that customers have nothing to complain about. Is assembly too complicated? Is the surface perfectly? Do chair glides fall off easily? These issues seem minor, but they can seriously impact sales because customers won't recommend the product. So the ultimate secret behind a bestseller is simple. Find the problems at the beginning, solve them during development rather than in mass production, and continuously improve through customer feedback. A truly great product doesn't constantly impress people. It simply works so well that people forget it's even there. So let's recap. Understand future consumer needs. Create simple and timeless designs. Obsess over every detail. Bestsellers are not created by luck. They're the result of a repeatable system. Okay, that's all for my sharing today. Do you agree or do you have a different perspective? Feel free to leave a comment below.